Welcome guys. Part of my stuff, I just wanted to record a quick vlog, an update of what's been happening lately. I haven't posted a vlog for a long time, so it's end of mid-December. We're trying to keep up with the bad weather peak season kind of happening right now. So a lot of winter repairs, winter prep we've been doing. We are doing 2 overhauls at the same time, so that's taking a little bit of time. And since we've increased our customer base, I've added a technician. He's very well rounded around Volvos and came highly recommended. So I'm very excited to add him on as a team member. And other than that, we've been just trying to capture as much as work and customers as possible, and clean up the shop, keep reinvesting and investing in the shop as much as we can, just to have pretty much everything we need, and stock up our parts rooms, which we've been working with a vendor that's been very helpful with that and has been getting parts for us and restocking our parts room. So other than that, everything is going smooth. We are closing out the year and kind of prepping for 2020, and hopefully 2020 is not going to be as brutal as it was in 2019 as far as trucking goes, but we'll see. That's part of the game and part of the being in business. So again, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Watch all of our videos, and we'll talk to you soon.